You've probably eaten it hundreds of times, but almost nobody has seen the massive high-tech system behind every McDonald's hamburger patty. Today, we're going inside the factories that turn thousands of cows into millions of perfectly uniform patties every single day, and the scale will shock you. Stick around. The machines that shape the patties are more precise than anything most of us could imagine. If you've ever wondered what goes into a McDonald's hamburger before it hits the grill, the answer isn't a small kitchen in a restaurant. It starts far from the golden arches on sprawling cattle farms and cutting-edge processing plants that operate almost like mini industrial cities. The beef that ends up in your burger comes from carefully monitored networks of ranches. Cattle are raised to specific standards, ensuring the right fat-to-lean ratio, health, and size for mass production. Only once the animals reach the proper weight do they make the journey to processing facilities. At these facilities, enormous volumes of beef are handled daily. Every step from cutting and grinding to forming patties is engineered for safety, speed, and consistency. The goal is simple: millions of identical hamburgers delivered to stores worldwide with exacting quality. The journey begins when cattle arrive at approved slaughterhouses. Here, each animal is processed in a controlled, hygienic environment. Cuts intended for grinding mainly lean trimmings are separated, inspected, and chilled. Once packaged, these beef cuts are transported to specialized McDonald's suppliers. The production floors at these suppliers are massive, many larger than football fields. Some of them produce tens of millions of patties per week, running day and night on strict schedules. This is where the industrial magic begins, the transformation from raw beef to uniform patties that fit perfectly in every burger. Before a single grinder blade spins, the beef undergoes rigorous inspection. Workers check for bone fragments and inconsistencies. Automated scanners measure fat content and quality. Only cuts that meet McDonald's specifications move forward. The scale is hard to imagine. Hundreds of blocks of beef, each weighing hundreds of kilograms, are processed daily to keep supply chains running across regions. Every piece is documented and tracked to ensure traceability. Inspection may seem simple, but it's critical. One mistake could ruin thousands of burgers. After inspection, the beef blocks are fed into industrial grinders. These machines dwarf anything you'd find in a butcher shop or home kitchen. Inside, high-speed blades shred the meat into long, noodle-like strands that look surprisingly like spaghetti. This texture is deliberate uniform. Grinding ensures even cooking later. Next, the ground meat passes through detection systems that remove any stray bone particles, guaranteeing safety and quality at scale. But shaping the patties is where the real factory wizardry comes in. Machines handle tens of thousands of patties per hour with near perfect precision. Shaping machines portion the beef to exact weights and compress it into perfectly round patties. Each patty is nearly identical in diameter and thickness. To keep them fresh during transport, the patties are flash frozen at approximately minus 18 degrees Celsius. This step locks the shape, preserves quality, and prevents bacterial growth. Remarkably, all of this is achieved with a relatively small workforce. Many facilities operate with fewer than 100 employees, overseeing machines that could feed millions. Once frozen, the patties move into packaging. They drop into plastic-lined bags. Automated machines seal and box them. Pallets are prepared for regional distribution. These boxes are then sent to McDonald's distribution centers, where restaurants pick them up. By the time they reach a store, the patties are rock solid, ready for the final transformation: cooking. From a chilled block of beef to a perfect frozen patty, it's a process most customers never see. McDonald's kitchens use clamshell-style electric grills that cook patties from top and bottom simultaneously. Benefits include no flipping required, faster cook time around 40 seconds, even browning across every patty. After cooking, crew members season each patty with a precise blend of salt and pepper, a small step, but one that guarantees consistent flavor. A hamburger is more than just meat. Other components are also produced at scale. Bread factories combine flour, water, yeast, salt, and dough conditioners into massive batches. The dough ferments is portioned into buns, sprinkled with sesame seeds, and baked at high temperatures. After cooling, the buns are packaged and shipped to restaurants. Freshly harvested lettuce is washed, shredded, and spin-dried in produce facilities. Once packed in chilled bags, it's ready for assembly. Processed yellow cheese is sliced at high speed, stacked, and packaged. Its unique composition ensures it melts perfectly on the patty, while maintaining a longer shelf life than traditional cheese. At the restaurant, the burger comes together quickly. Buns are toasted on a separate conveyor. Cooked patties are placed on the crown bun. Condiments, pickles, cheese, and lettuce are added. The sandwich is wrapped and placed in the warming chute. From frozen patty to fully assembled hamburger, the process takes roughly 90 seconds, faster than most people could even order a burger. What's most impressive about McDonald's supply chain is its scale. Millions of patties are produced every day. Automated systems ensure each patty is uniform. Quality and safety are rigorously monitored at every stage. Even minor deviations are flagged automatically. The combination of industrial machinery and human oversight creates a consistent product across thousands of locations worldwide. The system works because it balances efficiency. High-speed machinery reduces labor requirements. Consistency. Every patty meets strict weight and thickness standards. Safety. Inspection, freezing, and processing protocols minimize contamination risk. Speed. Restaurants can assemble burgers in under 2 minutes, meeting customer demand. It's a model of industrial food production that few people ever get to witness firsthand. From sprawling cattle farms to state-of-the-art factories, and finally into the hands of restaurant staff. The journey of a McDonald's hamburger is complex, precise, and astonishingly efficient. Now you know exactly what goes into your burger and how much engineering, automation, and care goes into producing millions of them every week. Which part of this process surprised you most, the grinding, the patty forming, or the assembly at the restaurant? Drop your thoughts in the comments. And if you want to see how other fast food staples are made, check out the video on your screen now. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more behind-the-scenes breakdowns.